Herbal teas have been revered for centuries, not only for their soothing properties, but also for their potential to boost health and longevity. Let's explore some of the most beneficial herbal teas that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Green tea is renowned for its high levels of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption can help improve cardiovascular health and even support weight management. Chamomile tea, known for its calming effects, also offers anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, supporting overall immune health. Hibiscus tea may aid in lowering blood pressure and improving heart health, thanks to its rich anthocyanin content. For digestion, peppermint tea is a go-to remedy, easing symptoms of bloating and discomfort. Another powerful option is ginger tea, which boasts anti-inflammatory properties and aids in digestion and nausea relief. Lastly, rooibos tea, rich in antioxidants like aspalathin, can help reduce inflammation and support skin health. Incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and longevity. So, brew yourself a cup and toast to a healthier, longer life.